Carolina Magaña, and I'm part of the MA Fashion Studies program. I'm in year 1 and part of our Fashion Heritage and Memory class. For our final project, we did an essay looking at Schiaparelli, and we looked at 4 major discourse themes to speak about.
For the past few years, we've been fortunate enough at Parsons Paris to work with the Alaïa Fondation and the amazing archive that this fantastic fashion designer has collected over his life.
I looked at the press releases, and I explored making the connection between Schiaparelli and Frida Kahlo with my colleague Lauren Fountain. And it was a really interesting project because I was able to see how she spoke about the male gaze and see how she explained not only the clothes in the press releases, but also just who her audience was and who she wanted to provide for.
So here we've got an exhibition which showcased 4 tables highlighting different moments: the moment of the auctions, the moment of the press releases, and the moment of the validation through different spaces, commercial space and museum spaces, and the problematic identities that are embodied in those different elements, and especially the colonial aspect of surrealism, the misogynistic aspect of surrealism, and of course the question of authorship when it comes to a brand, but also a designer.